Okay, so we're looking at the split strategy, and this helps us add two-digit numbers together. Okay, so you can see that the first step is that we add the tens together. So if we're looking at 32 plus 25 as our equation, we're looking at the tens, so the 30 and the 20, and we're going to put it there, and that equals 50. Then our next step, step 2, is to add the ones together. So the 2 and the 5, we've got those here, 2 and 5, and that equals 7. And our third step is then to equal, or to add the 50 from here, plus the 7, 50 plus 7 equals 57, and that's how the split strategy works. So let's do this equation here. We've got 22 plus 15. So we're going to add the tens, which is the 20, and our 10. So we're going to add 20 plus 10, and that equals 30. And then we're going to add the ones, our 2 plus our 5. So, whoops. So 2 plus 5 equals 7. And then we're going to add them together. So we're going to add 30 plus 7 equals 37. So we know that 22 plus 15 equals 37. And that is our split strategy.